Hello, beautiful souls. How are we today? Well, I spoke before on how all the trauma you went through and being a people pleaser and all that helped to show you how to love yourself. And I heard it being put a different way today. I heard that you were placed in complete darkness. You were placed in complete darkness and you agreed upon it so that you could learn to see your own light, which is what I had said in a different way. So, have you learned to love yourself? Have you begun to see your own light? Because I know you were planted in complete darkness also. Kind of helps a little bit in knowing that it is a process. And in the end, you are extremely strong and extremely wise because of this. And you are probably doubting yourself. Well, we just had a cicada fly up in front of us. If anybody knows what that means spiritually, put it in the comments. Thank you very much. You've come extremely far. Because even if you just in the slightest bit start to see your own light or start to love yourself, that's immense. And it's healing. And it's healing you. And it's healing your bloodline. So, what if you were placed there so you could love yourself and see your own light? Because you were busy loving everybody else and letting everybody else shine. So you were placed in darkness so you could see your own. Food for thought. Ahom, son. Love you.